We're gonna make harem trousers today, easy and comfy, so get ready with a fabric of your choice. I used 2 meters of viscose fabric. You can choose a fabric of your choice, any soft comfy fabric with a good drape or good flow. Fold it and then take a trouser of your choice and then place it on the fabric for your measurement below your belt. So move your trouser where there is a belt about 2 inches, and then we will be taking the measurement because we will be adding belt after that. So take your measurement, mark it with the chalk, and then we will fold this fabric. So basically we will have 4 pieces, and then cut the extra fabric. Now we have 4 pieces. So according to your choice, you can reduce the width of this trouser. This fabric is quite wide, so I am chopping extra 5 inches from the width because my hip measurement all around is 40 inches. So I just added extra 10 inches wide. I don't want too wide, so it's totally up to you how wide you want your trouser to be. So I keep it 20 inches from the front and 20 inches from the back because we will be adding pleats. So I am cutting extra width of the fabric. So for crotch area, 4 inches wide, and then one mark you will be doing 13 inches down. Length will be 13 inches. It's still, again, you can choose, you can keep it 12 inches or 13 inches, but I am keeping 13 inches. Curve it and then take your scissor and cut it. So this is how it looks like now. I'm gonna cut now base of our trouser, where I am going to add again a wide elastic. So I am going to measure 12 inches. You can keep wide or smaller. This is totally your choice. I'm keeping it 12 inches wide, and then we will be matching it with the crouch area. So I will be cutting diagonal. So now take your hip measurement and then divide it by 2. For example, my hip measurement is 41 and I divided by 2 is come up 21. So I added extra 4 inches to make it wider so I can easily pull up this trouser. So according to my hip measurement, I'm cutting this belt. So my belt I am cutting, that is 45 inches long and its width is 5 inches. So we will fold it like this, and then we will make our pleats of the trouser on this belt, and we will add elastic here as well. Now take your ankle measurement. I took my ankle measurement 10 inches and I keep a little loose, so I have added extra 1 inch. So I have 11 inches. So I will be cutting elastic of 11 inches for each side. And then belt will be according to our trouser measurement, which is 12 inches. And width is 4 inches. Finished cutting, and now I started sewing from 2 crotch areas. Now I have joined these 2 areas and this is how our trouser looks like at the moment. I have joined the belt as well, and before we start making pleats, I will be keeping this stitched end in the middle, and then I will be marking these ends, so I know where so equal amount of pleats will be coming all around. So I will be marking these end points. I'm giving a small cuts so we can add equal amount of pleats on a belt as well and on trouser as well. And now start match right side facing each other, and then start making pleats. And I will be keep pinning up, and then we will take it under the sewing machine. I have made pleats on one part of the belt, and then I'm going to continue making pleats on the rest of the part, and I'm keep fixing it with the pins, and then I will take it under sewing machine. This is how it looks like. I have pleated all this belt, and this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to take it under the sewing machine, and then I will be keep pulling out pins and keep sewing. Now I have attached belt as well on this pleated part. So there is an opening for this for the elastic to pass through, and then we will add elastic after. Now we're going to make our base of the trouser, and I'm going to this is a 12 inches which we cut, and I'm going to attach its elastic belt. So I have attached belt one side, and then I am folding it and folding on the stitched part. So we will have a nice extra belt for our elastic to pass through. This is on the base of our trouser, and elastic I'm using 1 inches wide elastic I'm using, which will pass through the base of the trouser, and I will be using on the top of the trouser as well. Now I am adding elastic measurement. It is according to your ankle size, so how tight or how loose you want, this is up to you. Now I'm removing these pins and still keeping it fixed, otherwise they can be pulled out. So now I'm pulling this elastic, make it everything equal, and then I will fix it in sewing machine using my sewing machine. And exactly in the same way I will be preparing other side of the other leg of the trouser. And now I have prepared both of them, and I'm going to sew all around this open end of the trouser. We will be starting from the base of the trouser and finishing to the another base of the trouser, like all around we will be start sewing, and that's it. So I have finished all the sewing. This is how it looks like. Elastic at the base, elastic at the top, all pleated done, and now I'm going to add elastic on the top. So this is elastic I'm using, 1 inches wide elastic, and I am adding according to my waist measurement. So take your waist measurement and elastic I have added, and now I'm going to fix these 2 parts of elastic. Give quite few stitches in a sewing machine, and this is your trouser is ready. So this is how these trousers looks like. They are so comfy to wear. Try at home, and thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking and subscribing my channel. I would love to hear from you. Bye.